right, diving now into the deep end. Just this week, the state Senate passed a bill that would lower the blood alcohol content, or BAC, from point 0.08 to 0.05. That is how law enforcement decides if someone is under the influence.
So joining the conversation this morning is Candice Reid. She's the director of Mothers Against Drunk Driving, MADD, in the Pacific Northwest, and Ashley Bonus, a victim and survivor. Candice and Ashley, welcome to the show this morning.
Thank you for having us. Good morning.
Candice, I want to start with you, and let's talk about this bill in particular that's working its way through Olympia. MADD is a big proponent of this. So what's behind the vision of lowering the blood alcohol level here in Washington State?
Simply put, saving lives. BAC, 0.05 BAC per se limit will reduce the dangerous driving and drinking across all impairment levels. So again, it's just that mentality shift that has to happen, and this truly will save lives.
And Ashley, tell us your story a little bit about why it's so critical to keep pushing for laws that discourage drunk driving.
Yes. So my sister, Stacy Gammons-Ankerfeld, was hit by an impaired driver just a few feet from her front door in 2012. And she passed away 32 days later. Stacy was only 28 years old, had a very bright future ahead of her. She was known for her big heart and her kindness. Her smile lit up every room she walked into. One moment she was here and the next she was gone, all because someone else made the choice to drive impaired. And the reality is Stacy is just one of hundreds of people in Washington that are killed or forever changed by this crime every year. And behind every number is a broken-hearted family just like mine. We've been fighting to lower the per se limit in Washington for years. Sharing our story never gets easier, but I do it because I can. There's so many other families who can't for one reason or another, not because they don't care, but because their grief is just too heavy, and they're just trying to survive it. This heartache is something I wouldn't wish on my worst enemy. Most of us are just trying to make it through each day. But I know we will never have as many voices as the hospitality group in this fight, because so many of ours were taken, but that silence should never be mistaken for acceptance. And I know that lowering the limit to 0.05 will save so many lives. And if it even saves just one family from this pain, it's worth it to me.
Yeah. Ashley, thank you so much for sharing your family's story, and I'm so sorry for your loss. You know, Candice, she talked a little bit about the numbers, and I think it's important to note that behind those numbers is a family. It's a victim of someone who is lost or impacted because of drunk driving. Talk more about these statistics, which are quite staggering, and what is MADD doing to curb those?
Yes, I mean, every day, 34 people are killed. I mean, think about that, 34 people each and every day. Drunk driving deaths have actually increased 31% in the past decade. In 2024, 730 fatalities were on our roads here in Washington, and that's coming from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. So that's 36% increase since 2019. So really, you know, these numbers, people have to understand traffic crashes are deadly, and it's a threat to our Washington families and visitors, and it really requires urgent attention. And so MADD, we know that, and really what we have is, you know, we have underage youth prevention programs. Myself, Ashley, we have another member on our team there in Yakima who go out to local schools, and we educate and we talk to the students. We do presentations. We talk to them about making those healthy and safe choices while driving, also holding each other accountable. If you see something, you need to say something. Don't allow people to get behind the wheel impaired. We also team up with local law enforcement. They are the true heroes in all of this. And so we have a court monitoring program here in King County as well as Yakima County, where we do follow misdemeanor DUI cases, and we provide that data in reports to local law enforcement as well as local community partners and stakeholders as well.
I know that there is some pushback to the bill working through Olympia, particularly from the hospitality type businesses, as we just heard, that there aren't as many voices from victims as there are in the hospitality business. But what would you say to them?
You know, it's not about money. There's no price tag. There's no amount of money that you can put on someone's life there's a responsibility in our community to keep each other safe. And so if you're going to go out and drink, do not drive. This is definitely not about money. And if every state adopted the point oh 0.05 BAC law, or even lower, the fatal alcohol crashes would decline by 11%. So that's 1,790 lives that we are saving. So please get out there, vote in favor for point oh 0.05 because it will save lives.
Candice and Ashley, thanks so much for joining us here on ARC Seattle this morning. And Ashley, thank you again for sharing your family story. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.